Using place value to compare decimal numbers. A place value table is split into two halves. The columns before the decimal point show the whole numbers: hundreds, tens, units. The columns after the decimal point show the decimal parts: tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and more. As you move through the columns to the right of the decimal point, the values get lower and lower. In most situations that you deal with, writing a number to 3 decimal places will be accurate enough. If you need to compare numbers with many digits, a place value table can be very useful. It makes it so that you only have to compare one column and one digit at a time. Here is a list of 5 different pumpkins, weighed at a pumpkin growing competition. To compare the pumpkins, let's put them in a place value table. Make sure that you place the digits of each number in the correct column of the place value table. You can complete any blank columns by adding a 0. Start by looking at the leftmost column. All pumpkins have a 7 in this column. Next, we'll look at the units column. All pumpkins have a 5 in this column. Next, we'll look at the first column after the decimal point, the tenths column. There is one pumpkin with a 9 in this column. Place that one at the top. The next highest number in this column is a 6. There are 2 pumpkins with a 6 in this column. For these 2 pumpkins, look at the hundredths column. They have a 4 in this column. For these 2 pumpkins, look at the thousandths column. One has a 6 in this column and the other has a 5. Place them in the correct order below the first pumpkin. Now we go back to the tenths column for the remaining 2 pumpkins. One has a 1 in this column and the other has a 5. Rearrange them in the correct order. This is how a place value table can help you compare decimal numbers.